going on, everybody? Today we're gonna have a little garage chat on how we feel the pricing on the STI is going to change now that Subaru has canceled the STI, maybe to bring it out later on down the road as an EV or something like that. But the STI that we all know is basically dead in the water. I want to talk about how we think the pricing may reflect that change. You know, will these cars become collector's items or museum pieces or anything like that? You know, just with everything else that's going on in the world today, pricing for the used car market's absolutely crazy, as we all know. So I saw one of these the other day. It was a 19, had 100,000 miles on it, and the dealership wanted 32 grand for it with 100 grand on a 19. You know, that's a little bit crazy in my opinion. I saw another S209. It was in Virginia, and they wanted like 90 grand for that one at a dealership. So that's crazy. I mean, I understand that they only made X amount of them, but still yet at the end of the day, 90 grand, it's a little steep for a Subaru in my opinion. Do I think that the prices will go up? I'd say they will overall, especially a clean OEM, you know, all factory, especially like a 04 STI, all factory, stock, nothing crazy going on, no crazy mods, anything like that. I'd say that'll probably pull some decent money down the road. How long will it take for the prices to reflect Subaru's decision? It's really hard to tell. I'd say that some people will probably be able to see the prices tick up as of right now. I mean, just with everything that's going on, with all the electrification and just the cars in general going away, the cars that we all care about and want to have fun in as enthusiasts, it's making it really hard to go out and find something fun for cheap anymore. Like I said, I was looking at a Fiesta the other day, a Fiesta ST, and they're selling for $26,000, which is what they cost new at the time. That's just crazy. So it's all across the board. But as far as the STI is concerned, with Subaru canceling it, I do believe that, say, the cleaner versions, not the ones that have been all cut up, you know, with the wide body kits and everything like that, I think the cleaner versions will bring good money. But of course, all factory will bring good money. And everybody wants this factory non-abused. You know, it's hard to say how much more it'll be. I think for another example, I saw a RA STI the other day. I can't remember the miles on it, but I think they were wanting something like 60,000 for it. Of course, it was all stock, but still yet, that's just, it's hard to wrap your head around it when you're talking $60,000-$70,000 for an STI. It just kind of blows my mind. I'll never plan to ever get that out of this, so I'm just, you know, and those are very oddball examples, I think, for the most of us. You know, if you do light modifications, stuff like that, keep it nice, keep the miles low. You know, I don't want to have a garage queen by any stretch. I want to get out and enjoy it. It's a fun car for me, so you know, I would never expect to make any money off mine if I ever did sell it. That would be my opinion on the whole matter. Is if you're looking for one to garage and make money on, then your best chances of it are to keep it as stock as you can and keep the miles low and just get it out on nice weather days and don't beat the crap out of it. It's just a little topic out there, see what everybody thinks, to see if the community thinks that the prices will go up on used STIs, or just what's your opinion on the matter now that Subaru went and slapped us with a cancel notice on the STI overall. I don't know about you all, but electric vehicles do not excite me in the least. I can't get past them. Now the Porsche Taycan, whatever, Turbo S, that's a whole different ball game, but that's a $250,000 car, so that might be fun and exciting. I don't know about that. I wouldn't kick one out of bed for eating cookies, if you know what I mean. See what everybody's opinion is. See if you think the price will go up. Maybe somebody's got a museum piece out there that's bringing big money one day. So just leave a comment if you like, and we'll catch you in the next one.